My name is Christian Brown. I serve as Director of Economic Development for the North Carolina Biotechnology Center. The overall industry in North Carolina has been growing over the last 40 years or so. One of our main industries is that biomanufacturing space. We have a lot of talent in the biomanufacturing area, and we have really received a lot of different investments into the state from that industry itself. That also, there are many others that are help diversify the economy here in North Carolina, including R&D, some regenerative medicines, medical device manufacturing as well. Better advantage in North Carolina compared to some of our other competitors really comes down to cost of doing business. So land prices, lease prices, rental prices tend to be a lot less expensive, so the dollar goes a little farther in North Carolina. One of the other things that we've prided ourselves on when it comes to attracting the types of industries we want is our workforce availability and our training infrastructure. So we have a very collaborative nature between our university systems, our community college systems, and our industry partners to really drive workforce to be able to fill those jobs as they come into the state.